Listen. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. When I have this much energy, it's because we're doing an Amazon video. Like, you love these, I love these, we love these collectively as a whole. We love it. I'm gonna give you my must-haves from Amazon. I've done a bunch of these videos and they all are like bangers. Everything I talk about in this video will also be linked below. You know I take care. But first, let's get to our sponsor. It's honestly a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Top Cashback has sponsored all of my Amazon videos thus far. Is that a big word? Did I just do something? Top Cashback is a site. It's like a cashback program, duh. Really simple. You literally sign up and then you'll be like shopping or whatever. You'll be on Sephora, Target. It'll pop up and it'll be like, hey, we can give you cash back. And then you're like, okay, click. And that's that. One thing I want to note about Top Cashback that other programs don't do, they don't have a minimum for the payout. Basically, as soon as it's payable, you could literally cash out at $5. Like, it doesn't even matter. They pay right through PayPal. Love that. It's so simple. It's literally just a no-brainer. Like, you just get money back for shopping online. What more do I need to say? My link will probably be like the first thing down here. The thing about Amazon and Top Cashback, the categories change like pretty frequently. So like one day you might get like, you know, 4% cash back on like furniture or something like that, but it might be different the next day. Honestly, my theory on that is as long as you're getting something back, then like who cares? They give you a $10 Top Cashback sign up bonus. Wow, they are looking out for us. Okay. It's a no-brainer. I don't know what more you need, but let's get to these products because I know I'm about to change your life. I'm gonna go in no particular order. We're just gonna go, we're gonna roll with it. First thing I'm looking at right here, right now in my face are these glass bottles. You know how Amazon just like knows what you like. Amazon's like, you're gonna buy this, so I'm gonna put this on the suggested page. Well, that's what happened with these. I've been trying to become more conscientious of like eco-friendly items. I swear I'm making an effort here. I recycle, I do, you know, love the earth. But I got these and they're really cute and I posted them on Instagram and everyone was like, we need a link right now. I think they were expensive though. I think they were like $28 for 6. So here's my thing. If it's pretty, I feel like I want to use it more. And I feel like that goes to a lot of things in life. Like if it looks good, you're like instantly drawn to it. And these bottles are really aesthetically pleasing and I can just fill them up with water and roll out the door. They're like hefty. Okay, I almost hit myself in the face. Oh my god, the Glam Wash, Tyler's Glam Wash from Amazon. Let's talk about it. So I don't have it here physically to like, you know, hold up and give you a whole product shot because that shit, oh my god, that is the most potent laundry detergent I've ever smelled. Let me be real with you. I'm not a patchouli. That's not me. I feel like it's either I love it or I hate it because it makes your clothes smell so strong. Some people that love that scent, that's everything they want and more. But for me, it wasn't the scent for me. It just wasn't the scent for me. I'm gonna encourage you all to try it, especially if you like Angel by Mugler. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that. Oh my god, identical. I returned it. I was like, whoa. And that shit's so expensive. Like, could see if you really like the scent, that would be like the wash of the year for you. Like it would be a game changer. All right, next, this is probably my favorite thing I bought on Amazon. I say that about everything, but I mean it. I have this little carousel little number. Here she is. She's so cute. I cannot spin it because I'm not that oh wait, maybe. Okay. I love this thing. Originally I saw this on TikTok and I was like, okay, you know, maybe the TikTokers, they're doing something, maybe. Sell this out. Like this is it. For real. I have like a bunch of stuff on here. I keep like my daily things and I also keep like all my Fenty glosses because they're probably like my favorite. My daily primer, my daily, you know, lip mask, bio oil, all my Giorgio Armani foundations, contacts, teeth whitening, Bye Bye Bloat, toner, deodorant, lip balm. Oh yeah, so cute. And it matches all of my makeup organization. I'm gonna link all of my makeup organization links because I get millions of questions. Actually, that's such an exaggeration. I organize all my makeup and my tools with acrylic things from Amazon, like this holder for my beauty blenders, Amazon. This case for all like my makeup that I use daily, Amazon. I think on my stories I called it a Lazy Susan. It is. It's like a little mini Lazy Susan for all your makeup and skincare, and I love it. I want to get another one soon, so save one for me if you buy it, okay? Everybody has these. Everybody's like, oh, let me get a TikTok, you know, tripod, whatever. I got this one on Amazon, and it came with a remote, which is like somewhere in this mess, which I'm not gonna get right now. It extends, like all of these extend, so you could literally make it like a full-size body tripod to take pictures. The remote is Bluetooth, so it just links to your phone. Click, you take a picture, no hands, bitch. It's so easy. I use this all the time when I go on Instagram Live, because I used to just set it up and then my phone would like slip and fall. Every 10 minutes I'd be like, sorry guys. And I'm pretty sure like the remote and the tripod was like 20 bucks total together, which is a really good deal, because these people out here, like, they're charging for this equipment. They know everybody wants to get on the YouTube, TikTok, Instagram game, and they're just like, yeah, let me just bump that up. Any content creators, or even just like, I don't know, you don't want to hold your phone, then just buy that. While we're on the topic of filming equipment, I do want to mention every single thing I film with is from Amazon. It's nothing crazy. Like, I'm not like a pro, like, I'm in my bedroom right now. Mirror in the background, all of those links I will literally put, like, you know, filming equipment with the link, tripods, my ring light, my mirrors, everything. This next one, I'm not pregnant, but I love it, and if you're pregnant you probably love it, and if you're not pregnant you probably love it. But Lily is like sleeping on it right now. Do you think I should just like go take it from her? Lily! Oh, she's out. Lily. Oh, Lil, do you like the pregnancy pillow? She's so unbothered, ma'am. Okay. Basically, the pregnancy pillow, this one. If you don't have one, I don't care if there's a baby inside you or not, just buy it. It's this big giant U-shaped pillow. You can get cases that are like colored, so I actually got a white case to go over mine, and it fits really nicely. And yeah, I basically sleep in the middle and it's on both sides. I want to wrap a leg around or wrap an arm under. It's just like you're just cocooned in. Makes my sleep better. I struggle with sleep, and like I actually struggle with sleep. I legitimately just don't sleep. I'm a psychopath. Pregnancy pillow, that is one investment I would recommend. Girl, these slippers, girl. Remember in my first Amazon video, I was like this. Should I make the thumbnail like that again? So the first slipper recommendation I ever gave was these bad boys. Like, they're used and abused, okay? I still love these. I love these. Like, I still wear these. But let me be real, I think these are better. These ones are like a little bit more sturdy. It's almost like an actual shoe. It's not, which I don't really mind that they're not as sturdy, because it's just a slipper. Like, I'm just walking around the house in them. I have a size 8. I'm a true 8 and everything, and they fit me perfectly. They have a bunch of colors. Here's the thing, those UGG ones, yeah, they're so cute. These are way cheaper. If you need some new slippers, right there. That's what it is. It just holds everything, and it is cute at the same time. I would 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay, next up, this totally has nothing to do with anything. I was trying to find a way to relate it to something, but I can't. This lint remover, okay? We have animals in this house. There's 4 cats. If you have animals, you know that you can't wear black clothing without lily hair all over you. This little lint remover also like helps remove cat hair and stuff like that. I would hold it up and show you, but it's in my car. It's rechargeable, so you just plug it in, recharge it. Let me be real with you, I've never even recharged mine, and I use it all the time. And it's in my car because I never even realized I have hair or lint or whatever on me until I get into the car, because I'm always running late and I'm always a mess, and that's that. It works. If you're a pet lover, it works. Sometimes if you get like pills on your leggings, it will remove that really easily. So I saw that one on TikTok as well. I would totally credit the person I saw it from first, but I can't remember, and I also saw it like a million times. So TikTok, thank you. While on topic of hair, let's talk about like human hair, okay? You know how you can go to the salon and get dermaplaning done, or the med spa or whatever? Listen, I have always recommended that. I will always recommend that. They make it an experience. They give you like the whole facial. I love all of that. I totally recommend it. But I might offend some people out here. I'm not an esthetician. I feel like I have a decent grasp on skincare, but I'm not an esthetician. So let me just be straight up with you. And I'm saying try this at your own risk, so don't come for me. But these scalpels that I got from Amazon work, I'm not gonna say the same. It's not the same. Definitely when you go to the salon, the results are better, but you can honestly do it at home. And that's why people are like, oh yeah, I just shave my face at home. But everybody uses those little Twinkie razor things, which that's great and all, but like, give me the real deal. These are just bigger. They cover, it's like, this is basically those facial razors that everybody uses, but a little bit bigger and I'd say a little bit sharper. So obviously be cautious. I haven't had my face like professionally dermaplaned in a long time. Number one, we were in quarantine. Number two, I don't know. I just have been not worried about it, and I've been using this when I need to. Like around my mustache area, if it's not waxed, I'll just use this and just like clean it up for in-betweens, because that shit grows fast. Or even like my sideburns here, it just really is nice. I know people say like shave your face for a smoother makeup application. They're 1000% right. Like no one's lying to you. I don't think hair grows back thicker. I think it just grows back, and people are like, oh my god, it grew back. Well, yeah, like if you cut the hair on your head, it's gonna grow back too. I wanted to mention these. They're really cheap, really easy, and I think honestly I would pick these over those twinkle razors or whatever. So I wanted to mention these earrings. I feel like these are just like classic, timeless, cute. There's been a ton of fake diamond stud earrings in my life, and there's never been one that I'm like, oh, I have to repurchase those. I just kind of buy whatever's around. But ever since I bought these ones, I don't want any other ones. Something about it, I feel like they don't get dirty very easily, especially with like spray tanning and makeup and all the good stuff that we do. They like hold their shine for a really long time. They look like, I would say honestly, these look expensive. The good thing about these are they come in like a million different sizes. I think I have the 6mm, but I will put the exact sizing below. Personally, I just think they look really good. They look very clean, professional, cute. And when I don't have these in my ears, I kind of feel like just not as girly, you know what I mean? Also, if you don't have a waist trainer, I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh my god, waist trainers are life-changing, even though I really like them and I have one in like every single color, because they can be damaging, detrimental to your health if they're not used the right way. Because there's a lot of people that like, I'll post about a waist trainer and they're like, oh my god, they crush your organs, and I'm like, you know, my organs are okay. It gets dangerous when you're wearing it for more than 8 hours a day, when you're working out in it, things like that. Don't sleep in it, don't work out in it. Honestly, if you work a 9 to 5, get a waist trainer, wear it under your clothes every day, and go to the gym 3 times a week, eat a little bit cleaner, and you're gonna see some difference. I like waist trainers for underneath my clothing because it just gives you that smooth, like snatched up look. My favorite brand of waist trainers ever is Luxe Curves, and they sell on Amazon Prime, which is really cool because I think if you order from their website, it takes a bit, like a good bit longer to get your item. Even for like underneath the dress or something, it just like snatches you up. If you don't exceed the time limits and you be healthy about it, you'll be okay, honestly. Don't go way too small. Like I wear a size small waist trainer, but there's literally like a 2 extra small. There's a size for everybody, but my favorite brand is Luxe Curves. They are on Amazon Prime, and girl, I enjoy them. Lastly, I have these pimple patches. These are from Skin Iceland. It's like a skincare brand. Pimple patches in general, I was so amazed when I tried these for the first time because I was like, damn. I'll have a pimple and it'll be not ready. Like, if you know what I mean, there won't be a big giant whitehead on it. It'll be, you know, just like a lump. Ugh. And you put a little pimple patch on it and, you know, you let it sit there. These ones stick really well. That's kind of why I like these the most. They stick, and then you'll wear it for the day, and typically they're like, they blend into the skin really well too. So it's like you could honestly put it right here and no one would even notice for a couple, like the whole day. It will kind of like draw the pus and the dirt and whatever, the grossness. It'll like draw it to the surface. It's so satisfying to see and use. I love pimple patches. This brand, the Skin Iceland ones, are really good. They're on Amazon Prime, and I just wanted to mention that. Lastly, if there's any pimple popper lovers like me, I am not ashamed, and I'll say that again. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you buy anything from this video, I thank you, because, you know, that's how I pay the bills. That's how Lily eats, okay? Lily says thank you, even though she's so unbothered with me right now. Thank you to Top Cashback for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm literally tripping over my words. I drank coffee. Oh my god. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.